Welcome back to B for Crypto. In this video we're going to look at Solana because yes, we are at the moment at a 50% discount from the next price target that we could expect for Solana. But first of all, we're going to find out what is Solana. Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technology permissionless nature. The Solana protocol is designed to facilitate decentralized apps, also called dApps. It aims to improve scalability by introducing a proof of history (POH) consensus combined with the underlying proof of stake. And yes, we can see the integration in a lot of functions like decentralized apps, gaming, NFTs and so on, and they have a strong community, and that's why I think Solana has a major potential in the future. Because if we go over to the charts, yes, Solana has an all-time high of around about $250 and at the moment we are trading at $23. So this would be an easy 10x from the price movement towards the all-time high. And if we go over to the top 10 ranking, Solana is at rank 7 within the top 10 cryptocurrencies. So this is a major opportunity to get in low and to sell high, because I definitely think that Solana has a bright future. But before we're going to go over to the charts to find out where's our next price target and why we could see a 100% move in the immediate short term, if you want to trade Solana or buy it on the spot market, go over to Fairdesk, OKX or even Bybit, where you receive a major deposit bonus if you use my link. This would really support my channel, and guys, smash up the like button and subscribe, and let's go directly over to the charts. So over on the daily chart, yes guys, I told you in previous videos that I'm going to buy exactly in these areas where we saw this perfect bounce from this major trend line, and then again in the second video I told you to load up exactly here, because yes, we were forming this double bottom and also this W formation, and we can see if we're going to look at the price target from the top of the W all the way to the bottom, then we can see that our price target, yes, was all the way at the $23 level, and we perfectly reached this price target. So what can we expect? Are we going to see this continuation? First of all guys, we're going to go on the weekly chart for Solana, because on the weekly chart guys, we can see that we are very close to breaking this downwards trend, because we can see that from August last year we got this downwards move, and yes, Solana SOL has the nickname being sometimes online because they had to shut down the network 2 times. But guys, yes, the bear market is here to build, and that's why I think yes, they've dealt with all of these problems and that we could expect that yes, Solana is going to come all the way to the previous all-time high at $250. But first of all, we're going to look at the breakout targets, because yes, we are very close to breaking this trend line, but this trend line isn't the only significant trend line, because if we're going to remove this trend line, then we can see guys, we are in this ascending triangle, and this means that the price movement is consolidating within this upward sloping trend, and also this horizontal trend line that we can see is exactly at this major support box round about the $26 level. So guys, yes, if we're going to see this breakout from this ascending triangle, we could look at the potential price target from the top all the way to the bottom. And then we're going to drag it over to the potential breakout point, and this would be a price target of $74. So this would be a great move all the way from this breakout point all the way to the price target. This would be a 160% move. But guys, we're going to focus on the short-term price targets, and for that we're going to go over to the daily chart, because yes, if we're going to take the Fibonacci retracement levels all the way from the swing high all the way to the swing low exactly here, then we can see we are also at the 50% level like for Bitcoin at the moment. So guys, yes, our next price target is going to be the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and yes, we can see this major confluence. The 61.8 is exactly the bottom of this major resistance box. So the next price target is definitely going to be within the 78.6 and also the 61.8, exactly in the levels of $26. But guys, if we're going to look at the price target from this major move, then we can see yes, the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, our price target. If we're going to see this breakout from this major range, we could expect yes, it's going to be the $47 level exactly here, and that is also our 50% discount from our price target, because if we're going to look at this move all the way from here all the way to our price target, this would be a 100% move, and this is only going to be our short-term price target. Because if we look at the weekly chart, yes guys, we have this 100% move all the way to this major resistance, where we can see that the price movement had major resistance before and also exactly here in this major resistance box. So this is going to be a 100% move. But if we're going to look at this bigger target from this ascending triangle and the breakout point exactly here, then we can see yes, this would be an even greater move all the way to our price target round about the $70 level. This would be a move of 211%. And of course our ultimate price target, the all-time high, which would be an easy 10x. But let's go on the lower time frames on the 4-hour chart to find out, should you buy at the moment or should you wait for any consolidation or retracement further down? And yes, on the 4-hour chart you can clearly see we are at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and we saw this consolidation. We didn't reach the 61.8 yet, so yes, we could expect that we're forming some kind of a flag and that we could expect this breakout all the way up. But maybe we're going to come a little bit lower because yes, we can see the 50 moving average is exactly here, and at the moment Solana is battling with a 13 EMA, which is exactly here, and the 13 EMA gives us an indication, are we in a short-term bullish or bearish structure? Because yes, we should see some kind of a consolidation forming higher lows so that we could expect that we're going to get this further move up. If we look at the weekly chart, I think that Solana is a good opportunity to dollar cost average because yes, in the short term or even in the long term perspective, I see a bright future for Solana. And guys, if you like this update, smash up the like button and subscribe, and make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.